is the day before I leave, so I'm gonna have to get some things together. It's currently what, 10? It's after 10. Hopefully start washing by 11 o'clock. I'm gonna wash clothes that I've been wearing so far, and probably some things that I would like to wear that's new. I'll rinse it out, and I'm gonna start packing, deciding what and what, I guess I need to carry with me. But yeah. Okay, so I have my bags in my bags. I have my clothes in this temporarily. I just bought some laundry bags the other day. So I'm gonna wash this set first, and I'm gonna wash like the dark colors, and I'm gonna start packing. I think I'm going to start making something to eat because I'm gonna prepare that early so I can always warm it up later or anything like that. Plus I'm gonna take a while because I'm gonna be preparing chicken, and that is, clean meat is not my specialty, okay? First set of clothes are washing. I'm gonna probably take off some clips that's already on my camera. I'm gonna prepare like 2 pieces of this meat because I just want it for today because I'm leaving tomorrow. Wash up whatever plate I have and start cooking. Yeah, I'm not wasting any of that time. Yeah.
When the color working on the bachelor, I know you got a pass, I got a pass, it's in the back of us. Average, I'ma make $1 million on the average. I'm riding with no brain, bitch, I'm out of it. I don't know you're nice like this. Do you try on all your nice like this? Put some spotlight on the style, oh yeah. Whatever comes too clear. Do you slide on all your nice like this? Do you try on all your nice like this? Put some spotlight on the slide. And whatever comes too clear.
Yeah, so I'm currently packing to see what and what. I'm gonna let stay and see if I need to carry a check luggage. More than likely I will have to because I'm gonna shop when I go there as well. So let's see.
You go.
The lines are so super long. Alright, so I'm really early and I have about like an hour wait for boarding start. Let me check. Yeah, it's 5:58 and I have like boarding don't start until I think 6:50. So I have a long time for wait, a long time.
Even though you know I die for you, you lied to me. Yes, I cry. Yes, I cry. Letting all the people know that I'm back to run the show. Cause what they did, they know was wrong. And all the nasty things you done. So baby, listen carefully while I sing my comeback song. You lied to me. And she said she'd never turn on me. You lied to me. What you did. You lied.
Seguridad, les rogamos que mantengan su equipaje con ustedes en todo momento. El equipaje desatendido.
Okay guys, so I got left at 11 and I had to take a cab. Okay guys, so I am finally at the apartment and we're going to make a next move to the actual venue location. I swear to God that Taxi Monday I kind of noticed in thief. Like for one, even if we didn't know where we were going, much time we drive around that venue to try to find the place, and then he gonna charge toll. When did we get on the toll? Then he gonna charge whatever search. I don't even know. Thief them thief, and I'm the other stuff talking. Said Jamaican them down here cannot. This anywhere you go, you find them cannot. Said them just want to see that you're not used to the area. Yeah, you gonna pay extra for being new. Make a thief and say I can go and look at. Sorry, make a thief and say I can go and look at tour and see how the place looks.
Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. Well, I tried to tell you so. Yes, I did. But I guess you didn't know. As I said, the story goes. Maybe now I got the flow. Cause I know it from the start. Maybe when you broke my heart, that I had to come again and show you that I'd win. You lied to me. All those times I said that I love you. You lied to me. Yes, I tried. Yes, I tried. You lied to me. Even though you knew I'd die for you. You lied to me. Yes, I cried. Yes, I cried. Running thanks to take my spine, letting all the people know that I'm back to run the show. Cause what they did, they know was wrong. And all the nasty things you done. So
I think the excitement starting now, so we're actually heading to the location. It's about a 2-hour drive. Let us head. I went to the bathroom already. Okay.
listen carefully while I sing my comeback song. You lied to me. And she said she'd never turn on me. You lied to me. What you did. You lied to me. All this pain you said I never feel. You lied to me. But I do. Do you slide on all your nights like
should be sleeping. Not sure what's going on over there. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to stay here. So yeah, if I had known, I probably would have just stayed there because I don't want to be up here and I can't sit. Let's see what's gonna happen. I feel like me I chat foolishness. I'm so cold. Damn. I know me I talk rubbish. No, so I'm too cold for this. Entering the front door. Oh, yes, room 1A. Alright, so let's come right here. Welcome to the boarding room. You have 1B. You got B. You got 2. I have no idea what's down here. I think I would like to fast though. Probably go with me. It's so steep. It's down here like a kitchen. It seems this way. Yeah, down here is like a kitchen. Okay, cool. Yeah, so this is like supposed to be like an Airbnb. I think this is a fridge. And that's another fridge. Probably it's not working. But yeah. I'm just gonna do it quick before the place gets too crowded where this becomes just too busy to do. Yeah. It's very old-timey. I'm tempted to open this fridge. It's dirty as hell. Much fingerprint. Can it be open? Oh fuck. Ooh, excuse my language. Excuse my language. But I have to go touring. There's things inside. Cool. Close it back. Yes, move on with my life now. Yes, make it do what it gotta do. There's more things around here. Yeah, this was coming like a scary movie at this point. Recyclables. Oh, there's like an extra bathroom right here. Oh, I just turned off that light. Yeah, so this is the next bathroom. It's cool. Cool. I guess like towels and those stuffs are probably in here as well. And this kind of looks like a back door. So we go on to the tour. I don't know which room I'm staying in right now. Right now I'm just squatting in the little lounge study area, which I'm gonna have to go back and show you guys. Yeah, old-timey AF. But there's a lot of plugs all over the place. Yeah, I guess more rooms are around the place. Somebody just went in that open door. I'm gonna go upstairs back. Let's see what's... We went downstairs. Let's go on the main floor. Then we're going upstairs to see the other doors because I'm pretty sure the rooms are closed. Oh, let me show the little lounge area I said I was staying. Okay. Yeah, so this is the bathroom for down this floor. Yes. And in here is just like a, like I said, lounge study area. I think this is like a manual to the house. Well, this got a Wi-Fi password from it and everything. Yeah, it's really old-timey. Like a, I don't know what to call it. Ooh, squeaky. And there are my stuffs in the meanwhile. But this is, oops. This is like a little reading, or a bookshelf, per se. I think I want to head upstairs this time. Oh, there's like a little plan. Think of the house. Alright. I'm gonna head upstairs. Okay, so let's get acquainted with upstairs. Lovely. In here is empty. It's perfect time to do the tour. So up here is room 4. Eventually I'll find out where I will be staying. A little mirror. A little self-check, I guess. There's a lot of apples on the wall. Alright, so room 3. So the AC just kicked in. A little view from outside. 5. I think this is the last floor. Let's head up. I don't know where that is, but this is room 6. I hope this is not my room. I'm gonna head right back. Let me show you upstairs. Yeah, I'm gonna head right back down. Right back down. Ooh. Downstairs. Guys, so I literally just got access to the room that I'll be staying in. The passcode worked. You want to get a little room tour? Yeah, I want to show y'all. I know you guys want it. Okay, so you have a little kitchen, private sink area as well. A little lounge section. I guess the information is here as well. This is awesome. I can actually start, quote unquote. Oh, yeah, perfection. Bathroom, perfection. Let me make this detail, cause give us total. I walked in my own things still, but like, good. Ooh, this mirror is old or dirty. I don't know. Bathroom is nice. Is this zoomed in? No, it's not. Clean. I don't know who doesn't like clean, but I know I love clean. Alright. I think this section has 2 rooms. I don't know which one is mine. I guess me and Daddy will be staying in here. Makes sense. I could probably stay right here. I don't know. I'm gonna look at the rooms and guess this side, I guess. Alright, so I'm gonna show you the second room. Okay. Oh, it's this. Okay. A lot of people can stay in here. Then this is a double bed. Okay, so I'm not sure where I'll be staying then, seeing that this is a double bed. Really not sure. Oh, this is the view from this side of the room. It's cool. Little chair. Yeah, I'm gonna carry my stuff upstairs and get situated. Okay, this is a little closet section. There's an iron and an iron board, so I can kind of hang up my dress and get a look at it. What I need to do is I need to get my wig styled. I guess that's the major thing for me, and I would love to kind of get these clips off my phone as well, because space is limited, plus I wanted to actually start posting tomorrow. There's a video I need to get ready for tomorrow, so start working. Yes. Hi guys, so there's also other features that I forgot to mention. There is utensils. There actually had pot and a stove. I'm gonna show you more about. I don't think I showed these pieces. Like there's tea in there, there's even dog food, honey, sugar, black salt, pepper. Things are definitely here. Pots and pans. Yeah. Ooh. I don't breathe for this weather at all. This is so. This is nice.
Hello everyone, thank you all for coming.
I say what she said. So.
First of all, I wanted to take the time to thank everyone that made this trip. I know some of you guys flew from across the world. Some of you guys flew up from Jamaica. Some of you guys drove 3.5 hours to come and see us. So we're so happy to have you here with us as we kick off our wedding weekend. I don't want to delay the food any longer, so Andreas is going to walk everybody through what is available as far as the meals, because he's basically a Jamaican at heart. So
In English or in German?
in German.
In German.
She's so adorable.
Yes.
Are we going to be friends? When I talk to them, from the maybe from them, but then I don't say anything. They're not like talking.
Chicken leg goose.
And even it's not, but they know in the end.
She's enjoying this.
Oh, like,
This is like
adorable.
she's enjoying the Europeans think
She's having so much fun.
And then they start speaking, it's like the best English you've ever heard. And it's like, man, you don't speak English, but you just said lightning bolt.
Nice.
Yeah.